Uvea wa Uiti kauntini ya Masako ni wendeka ukunikilana kwa ilia uthukumi sivitali ni wa level 4 Kangundo. Umwe wa NND kwa isitwa Elizabeth Wambua ni waelesya kulia kuyaniwa kwake ni uthukumi wa sivitali itina wakwete mumu wake yo masane mautuku ateo akua evinda ya sambe wa masame ongoli kuthinikiwa kwithiwa na maumisi ya maingi itina wambanga ya lelu ingini waelesya kana sindu mbingi sia Uiti yu kwatikana sivitali niu na awa umelasimika kuthowa nza wa sivitali. Muungami munene wa sivitali kana manager Festus Mulu kwanzia ya simoni waelesekana bayingwa kulela nthini wa uthukumi ateo mie kielelo ni takuatia mitalatala yonde ya awau Boni Mutisya no kutuelesya.
Na Elizabeth ni kanaitie muwa keva mwendoni wa sata ile sia wiyo tukuni weyo na kutonyelela ingi sivitalini uyu masane mamuthenya mwendoni wa tasakenda ateo muwa kenda na thinikiwa unduva ilite ewetatae na maumesi maingi na ndanesa kuitwa.
I happened to have received news yesterday that my nephew, whom I take care of, got involved in an accident. That accident happened in Tala, an area called Kitunguni. I rushed here to the hospital after receiving the news of my niece to come and find out about the injuries. I found him on the bench and attended. I was here until 4 in the night, and by the time I was leaving, no help was given. He has very serious injuries on his knees. His knee has been injured very seriously. The bones are protruding outside. He has another 5 fractures of his lower leg. It is completely shattered. And since we came here, I have come back. I've come back again here this afternoon. It's 2 o'clock to find out about the progress and what the doctors have done on him. I have found that there's nothing. I was coming to transfer him to any hospital in Machakos.
Ukuniko wake munene ni kwithwa muwa kianingi wa utethi wa mbe wa Uiti kuma masani asu na wehe kwenda umanya ni kitumikiva kila kitumia vaselewa kana muwa kikule utwa wathieta kuikiwa uthinzi na kuitwa.
The doctor tried to talk to me to tell me that they are going to take him to theater to clean the wounds and to give him first aid, which means the wound was wrapped without cleaning. This is very discouraging. The doctor is very busy. She told me she has other operations, like about 4 of them, delivering babies, and there's only one theater. So we have to wait again until, I don't know what time today. Kangundo level 4 hospital is a pathetic place. I was here.
Ingiweta kana hospitali uwe kumbilote mathina maingi ela maleta uthiniki wa wau na maundu tandawa elesekana wa umelazimika kuthinza hospitali kuwa sindu mbingi sia Uiti.
There's no water. There's no medicine. We are buying all the medicine. We are buying even syringes. We are buying needles. We are buying even the bandages from Tala. I had to rush to Tala to go and buy the bandages to come and wrap him. The nurses here are very rude. The doctor is only one available, and I want this to go to the governor of Machakos County. We are very, very much disappointed about this hospital. It is the only hospital which is catering or servicing Tala, Joska, Matungulu, and Kangundo. And there's nothing, completely nothing going on here. I think this should be actually converted into a mortuary because there's no hospital here. And I think Governor, Madam Wavinya, with all this respect, I think you need to look at this issue because there's nothing going on here. There's nothing, completely nothing, and it is very discouraging and very disheartening to see your family or your children or your other relatives and even members of other public people are suffering here.
Muungami munene wa hospitali uyu kana manager Festus Mulu kwanzia simwelesekana vaina thinono mwa hospitalini uyu na kuma masani mautuku methiwe na wengi wala methiwe maithinikiwa mekwenda kwikiwa uthinzi na maundu angi masalamu uyu watoa thieta no memake kwena na metalatala ila thivu ya Uiti.
Mautuku yo tithiwe otonde na kuita mighty throughout kaidi inda theater inaweza kwethwa itena mundu kuitwa anu najali sisi bisu kumotuku weyo kuko vikai kwa uwe nduone alame rangi wa kulika theater jali ya Kangundo ni maiti we na no maende ya kuitwa alangi matwaiwe masaku saa sita sio tuku kuma saa sita langi matwaiwe masaku moko kuna visa moka kwenda theater moko kuna visa ila tena jikangundo of which visa x-ray tune nambi ya utoko mapou tuna unibwa kuna visa kangundo kila kindu kiende na saa theater itune 24 hours matakilani maiti mapoko meta 24 hours so ene ndivyo me assured paimondo ainaweza kwenda ndrei delay ya wote kulipia theater hizo na ndagali situ komenda 24 hours sikabiliana na mikaza yoyote ya ajali ilaitwa yapenie along kuma Kangondo kwenda Nairobi na daktari situ si standby ambulance situ si standby kila mtu standby kukabiliana na chochote kile kinachotokea.
Okay, since yesterday that is now being taken to theater for cleaning of the wound and aligning of the legs where he has broken and from yesterday there's nothing he was given. There was no medication. We had to buy everything from Tala or Kangundo town. Even water, the drip, we had to buy 10 bottles. Even the antibiotics we had to buy. We are being told there's no medication in this hospital. We are being told there's no water. There are no bandages. I had to go and buy the bandages myself. I brought them and that is the only thing was done since yesterday. Governor Wavinya, this is for you. Madam, this level 4 hospital, Machako, Tala, Kangundo, there's nothing here. This is a morgue and you need to attend, you need to look at into this matter urgently. Otherwise, things are going to be very missed.
Kaunti ya Masaku, Nyenito Aboni, Mutesia.